I'm Alisha Khadigia and I have magical brushes. Do you see? Different colour, right? Well, let's go to the video. Click the like. Alright guys, let's get started. How do you think this looks? I think it looks fancy. Next look. What about this look, guys? I think it looks fabulous. Do you guys? You do? Thank you. One more look. Wow, I look like a cartoon. Another one. Guys, I like this one. Do you like it? This is the end of the video.